We've previously covered the reasons to say affirmations and why they might not be working for you. However, if you are just beginning, how do you determine and say affirmations? Well, in this video we look at 5 steps to saying affirmations. Number 1. Write in first person. When you say or write affirmations, you always want to say them in the first person, as doing so makes them statements you identify with, which can benefit your belief about yourself or your motivation to change certain aspects of yourself. So try to say statements beginning with I, or better yet, I am. Number 2. Focus on the positives. When you create and say affirmations, try to focus on positives rather than negatives, as this self-talk can have a significant impact on you. So rather than focusing on what you don't want, focus on what you do want instead, turning a phrase to be positive. So rather than saying I don't like to eat junk food, which focuses on not wanting to eat unhealthy food, say I enjoy eating fruit and vegetables every day, focusing on the positive intention to change. Number 3. Make it emotionally charged. When we feel emotionally invested in something, we often feel closer to it and making change as necessary. Therefore, use emotion to your benefit and as your strength, as when times get challenging, it can be the difference to keep you on track and push you through. This is because everyone wants to feel good about themselves and their life, so using emotion can be motivating. Number 4. Write in the present. When you say affirmations, say them as though they are your present reality. This isn't to mean to follow the idea of fake it till you make it, but instead try to embody who you intend to be tomorrow, but today. So rather than saying I will be confident when I achieve my goal, say I am confident as I work towards achieving my goal. Number 5. Focus on why, not how. Affirmations aren't to plan how you intend to achieve goals, as the work involved is different when doing this. Instead, the intention is to set your state to be and perform at your best, and set intention for where you will be going forward and your reason for this. So start today, make your affirmations and begin embodying the self you want to be. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads.